Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to give you some insights about my new AC Samsung Windfree that I purchased a week before. So if you are planning to purchase an AC or planning to purchase Samsung Windfree model, then this video would be helpful because I'm going to give you some very important things that you have to remember. This is a 2024 model that I purchased in February. Okay, so till 31st December, I think this model was actually coming out, and no, not even 31st December, till Jan. I think like most dealers are selling this one. Only recently, the 2025 model got launched. So the thing is, if you have purchased this Windfree model, not just this one, Samsung has given some like 15-20 different product codes. Like, see, the thing is from 2022 onwards, this AC is basically the same thing, same features, same everything. Just the year got changed and the product name got changed based on the manufacturing dates and all. Okay, so they have actually mentioned like 15-20 names, 15-20 product codes, and if your AC comes under that, and if you have purchased it after 1st Jan 2025, then you're going to get 5 years of comprehensive warranty, which includes 1 year of standard warranty and 4 years of extended warranty. So comprehensive, nothing but not every part is going to be covered, but the major parts are going to be covered in that 4 year extended warranty. And that 4 year extended warranty is on the condenser, the evaporator, the step motor, the blower, the fan. So these things will be covered. This PCB, yeah, I forgot the main important one, the PCB. So because previously, before that, all the Samsung models, whether it's Windfree, the top of the line ones, whatever it is, they used to get only 1 year warranty. Only from 1st Jan 2025 onwards, if you had purchased a model that Samsung has mentioned, just compare with the model list that I'll share you. If it is in that, then you're going to get an extended warranty for 5 years. So it will basically become a 5 year comprehensive warranty, minus warranty on the small display things and all. Those will not be covered, but major ones will all be covered. And it's very important because nowadays most brands are only offering 5 years on the PCB. There are some brands that also offer 5 year comprehensive, but very rare. They have started giving it now. So it's actually a very good thing to have warranty for 5 years, and this model has that. Okay, so if you are planning to purchase a Samsung Windfree model, then make sure to purchase it by comparing that model in that list. Make sure that model is present in that list because you will get the advantage of an extended warranty if you're purchasing now after 1st Jan 2025. Okay, so I'm sorry for those people who have purchased it before 1st Jan 2025. Like, you would only get 1 year of standard warranty. Not even the PCB is going to be covered with warranty. But if you have purchased after 1st Jan 2025, you're going to get 5 years of warranty. That's an offer from Samsung itself. Okay, so that's the thing. Just check the product codes. There are various product codes on this model. The features are more or less the same, like tiny little changes. Like, there is one more model in which there is no filter. You would get an additional filter, the antiviral filter that is there in this model. In my model, you wouldn't be getting that, but even that's covered under the same warranty. So there are different things with tiny changes or nothing much difference. Okay, based on the manufacturing dates and all, the product codes actually change. So just check that. And second important thing is, this particular model gets free installation. You have to remember that when you buy this model, you have to tell the delivery partners. Again, I will share you the product codes for that also. All the Samsung Windfree, if I'm not wrong, are going to get free installation. Okay, this I purchased from Canteen, from Defense Canteen, and I got it for 44,000. And it's actually a very good deal because it gets Wi-Fi, it gets this Windfree mode. So currently it's running in Windfree. It's wonderful. Not sure why people were calling it useless, but I'm actually loving it very much. And you are going to get all the smart features and all the smart things application through which you can control this AC no matter where you are. You just need an internet connection, and you can start it or stop it or control it however you want from wherever you want. So that's a wonderful thing. And most importantly, as I said, for 44,000 I got this, and you'll get free installation along with it. You should. I didn't even pay a single penny on this AC to the technician. The only thing is, I also wanted to tell you, like, what is the process of installation, or what would you get along with this AC. So you will basically be getting two wires, two cables that will connect the indoor and outdoor unit. That will be coming in the box itself, and then you will be getting two copper wires of 3 meters. Both will be used, one the big one the small one. Both will be used to connect indoor to outdoor. So two cables to connect indoor to outdoor. Both cables will be used to connect indoor to outdoor, and two copper wires from indoor to outdoor. But the thing is, Samsung 5-star 1.5 ton model actually has a cable from outdoor unit to the main supply, just like in the case of Daikin. So you can see this power line on the left side. This is not a power line from indoor unit to the power supply, rather it's a power line from outdoor unit to the power supply. So that is the only thing you would have to pay additionally if you purchase this model. Nothing else you have to pay. And that too, in my case, the service personnel was actually very good. He asked me to go and bring it, and I bought it. It costed me just 375 rupees. Like each meter 75 rupees, and I bought 5 meters of length. So it costed me 375 only, and I didn't pay a single rupee for the installation. And it's wonderful because no AC is offering free installation. This is the only AC I have seen which has got free installation. Samsung Windfree. Okay, and I think even that's an offer from 1st Jan itself, because previously, before that, I've seen some videos where people were mentioning that they have paid 1700 for installation and all those things, but now I think it's free from 1st Jan 2025 onwards. So I didn't even pay a single penny. It is free installation. Only that power line I paid, and that too I purchased it. So it's wonderful for 44,000, because usually, and I didn't even take a stand because I placed it on my roof itself directly, and it's very stable, not making any sound or shaking or anything. It's very stable. So that's the point. So I had to not pay much on the installation or anything else. Only the product cost was 44,000, and I think it's actually a good deal for that price. And coming to the cooling, it comes with 5000 watts, and I am in a room that's almost 15 and a half feet by 12 feet, like 15 by 12. It's 180 square feet room, a little over 180, because there is some part that's extra. So it's a little over 180 square feet, and it's taking like 15-20 minutes to bring from 29 to 25, 26. 15 minutes only, not more than that. 29 to 25. Okay, it takes 15 to 20 minutes. And I think it's good because I do not put any temperatures beyond that. 25 is actually good temperature for me. And now currently you're seeing, right, this is not the temperature that I have set. This is the temperature of the room. You actually have a feature where you can show either the temperature of the room or the temperature you have set. So you can see the temperature I have set is 26. Like for example, if I change it, this is the temperature I have set, but it would come back to room temperature. 25 is the room temperature. So you have that feature in Samsung AC. I'm not sure if it is there in others, because I do not remember seeing it in other ACs, but you just have to long press this horizontal swing. So if you long press this horizontal swing, then you can switch from showing setup temperature to temperature, room temperature. If you again do it, then you will switch from room temperature to that's the temperature that you set up. It's up to you. Since I like to have the room temperature here, I have currently set it in that mode. So 25 is currently the room temperature, and I have set 28 now. So let me change it to 26. So it shows 26, and then it will go back to showing room temperature. There you go, 25 now. So that's the thing. And coming to features and all, as I said, It comes with humidity sensor. These things you would not be getting with other ACs, but they're all there. This is with copper condenser. So all good features. This Windfree is working perfectly. I am only using this mode from the time I've purchased this, because this is the something which I liked very much. It gives like office kind of cooling, where you would only feel the coolness, but you will not feel the air onto your face and all. So I like this mode very much. So that's the thing, I wanted to update about the warranty and installation, because people who wouldn't know, they wouldn't say this, because maybe the service technicians might overcharge you. So for that reason, I'm actually giving you an insight. So if you purchase this model, then it is free installation. You can go onto the Samsung website and check as well. It will mention as an offer. In offers, you will see all the offers. In that, it will also mention that it will get 5 years of comprehensive warranty, which means 1 year standard and 4 years extended on some critical parts. Okay, so that's the warranty offer, and that's the installation offer as well. 1500 worth of free installation you will get with this. So in my case, I had a core cutting already done, so I didn't make a hole. But I think even that will be done free of cost. I don't think they would be charging you extra to drill one hole over there. But you can just check that. But majorly the other installation part is actually free, the labor charges and all. So that's the good thing with this. Thank you.